Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking. There's a ton going on here at IBIE in Munich, Germany, from digital tools and AI to solutions for labor challenges to trends in health and wellness. There's so much for the North American baking industry to keep an eye on ahead of IBIE in 2025. So let's talk to some bakers and see what they're looking at. Come on.
I'd like to see some of the international companies that have had booths here at IBIE who have told me they're looking to expand operations in North America. I'd like to see them have a booth at IBIE.
I'm keeping my eye on the use of automatic guided vehicles and cobots and how they're going to develop in use of actual bakery applications.
I am very interested in seeing what AI brings to the food industry, what direction we're going, and how I can use it.
I think I've seen so many, amazing things. It's been 5 years of innovation that we're finally getting to see, and so many European suppliers like this one here. But we're really excited to see, machine learning, sanitary design, and, continuing to find cost savings opportunities that we can deliver to our customers.
I would say a couple of things, all related to the same thing: sustainability, energy conservation, as well as just the overall carbon footprint that we're creating as a manufacturer. So seeing more and more of that coming out of Europe, and excited to see how we are able to really do more investigating of that and implement it in our manufacturing back in the States.
IBA has a lot of good baking, and also on the peripheral they have a lot of things related to coffee, to chocolate, and to items that can be sold in a bakery cafe. Bakery cafes are growing so fast, and it's an opportunity to learn about a lot of different manufacturers that are core in these areas.
Well, because some of our bakeries are starting to grow, we're growing more stores here in Europe. We need more efficiencies in the bakeries and greater throughputs. And so I'm hoping that when they come to the IBIE, they'll be able to see those same equipment opportunities.
But there's so much stuff here. I guess a lot of the ingredient handling, the new technologies that we're seeing, I want to see, do those really stick or even get more enhanced a couple years from now at IBIE? So that'll be really interesting to find out.
All right, I'm going to keep an eye on it.
All right, good luck.